Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial in which you are gonna learn how to write a good formal letter. This is addressed for intermediate learners. Let's start. Have you ever struggled writing letters? I suppose your answer is yes. I'm gonna explain you how to do it step by step in order to overcome your problem. Firstly, let's see its definition. A formal letter is a letter to people who we don't know in a personal level. It is written to find out information, apply for a job or a course, or to make a complaint. In other words, we don't write formal letters to our family or to our friends. Let's see its format. Basically, a formal letter has 5 aspects: an address, greeting, content, closing, and signing off. All these 5 aspects are included or are distributed in a format like this. This is a basic template to write a formal letter. This is the distribution that we need to apply. Right now, let's see how and what information you need to put for each of them. With respect to the address, we need to include the sender's and the receiver's address. The sender's address should be written in the top right corner of the letter, while the receiver's address should be written on the left below their sender's address. Also, you need to put the date. It may be written on the right or it could be on the left below the sender's address. And don't forget to write the month as a word. It is very formal. For a greeting or salutation, we can use expressions like this: dear sir, or madam, or dear mister. In the case that you don't know the name of the person who you are writing for, you can use this expression, dear sir or dear madam. But if you know the name of the person, you can use a dear in a title followed by a surname. Dear Mr. Sanchez or dear Mrs. Gonzalez, you can say. The next part is the content. Here we need to write 30 parts: the introduction, the body, and a conclusion. For the introduction, you just have to write a short paragraph where you need to state the purpose or the reason of the letter. It will be like the thesis statement. In the body, you're gonna develop the thesis statement, including some main ideas with supporting details and examples. At the end, you put the conclusion. It is a short paragraph where you are gonna put some closing remarks. The last aspect of the letter is called the closing. Here you can write some expressions such as sincerely, yours faithfully. These are the most common expressions. Of course, there is a list where you can choose, or you can select the best one for you. After this expression, you must end with your name or a signature. When you have applied all these 5 aspects and you followed step by step all what have I explained, you are gonna have something like this. This is the final product. I'm sure that if you practice writing letters, you are gonna master this skill. I hope this tutorial will be very useful for you. Thank you very much for your attention.